What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm about to do an unboxing, and I got my little Mickey sitting in my lap because I'm going to Disney. My birthday is in 3 days, June 29th to be exact. Yes, I am a Cancer, and I am going to Disney. Okay. That's why I got my little hair done, you know, and yeah, going to Disney. All right, so. Okay, back to business. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I saw this stuff on TikTok from a beautiful black girl that I follow, and then I started to do some research on it. I've been seeing it around a lot, but I didn't want to get it because everybody said it stank. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get it. I'm just gonna buy it and smell it for myself, because anytime that somebody says something stank, when it reaches my nose, I be like, this ain't bad. So yeah, let's just get right into it. What I got was this faded topicals brightening clearing serum. I already opened it, and y'all, this is why I say y'all gotta buy stuff for yourself and try it for yourself, because this smells like, this does not stink. People said this smell like ass. People said it smell like boiled eggs. People said it smell like, people said it smelled so bad. This does not stink in my opinion. It has a this doesn't stink. Like, I'm not really sure where they was getting that from. It does, it's not the most pleasant smell, but like, I could wear this and still go on a date, you know what I'm saying? And I don't think, you know what I mean, like, it's faint. Y'all just gotta try shit for yourselves, because I really thought this was just like, oh my god, ew, it smells like boo-boo, and it doesn't smell like that at all. So you really gotta try stuff for yourself. And then the second thing that I got was this it is a topicals ingrown tonic lotion. So it's like a roller, and you put it on the places where you get ingrowns and stuff like that. So let me read the directions. Okay, what it does. So this, we're talking about this product right here. So what this does is it softens, soothes, reduces discomfort caused by ingrowns. How to use: roll on to clean, dry, affected area. Sun alert may cause sun sensitivity, so use sunscreen. I already use sunscreen, so that's okay. And then it lists the ingredient list. And okay, cool. So basically all you do is roll it on to a clean, dry, affected area, and make sure you use sunscreen, which I already do. That's already been embedded in my routine, so I already do that. So for this one, let me read the directions. Okay, so it fades the look of most stubborn marks and scars and spots. This serum is packed with purposeful actives, okay, that let you kick back and let your worries fade away. So what it does, it balances, smooths, and brightens. How to use: use once a week to start and work your way up to daily use. And this also says use sun protection as well. Okay, so this seems pretty self-explanatory. You just use it on the affected areas and use your sunscreen right after you do that. And it says no synthetic dyes, cruelty-free, and it's also vegan. Spotty hotties, I'm not sure what that means, but yeah. Okay, so tonight when I take my shower, I'm definitely going to take pictures of the places where I have hyperpigmentation. I mostly have hyperpigmentation around my bikini area. Fun fact, I grew up not really learning how to shave. My mama didn't teach me how to shave, so yeah, we got ingrowns. I grew up shaving the wrong way, so we got ingrowns, and we have, you know, a little hyperpigmentation around there. So yeah, I'm trying to find a waxer. I do want to get into waxing, but like, I don't know, I'm scared. I bought a waxing kit, but that's for my underarms. Like, I don't think I can use that on my bikini area. I'd rather like go to a professional to wax my bikini area. Or Nair. I'm trying to debate my options. I have 3 options. I can use Nair, I can wax, or I can continue shaving. But I don't really want to do continue shaving. I don't really want to continue shaving. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna probably just use. I'm scared to go to a waxer, bro. I'm terrified. Don't judge me. But anyway, yeah, so these products can be found at Sephora. I don't remember the price, but I know they a little pricey though. But I have done my research. I've looked up several videos about several black women using these products, and they say they work. So if I'm gonna believe black women over anything else, you understand what I'm saying? So if they say it work, I'm like, all right, let me look into it, you know. And I've seen this all over for months. But what stopped me every time from buying it is they said it smells bad. So I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and buy it. I have a little extra money. Let me just go ahead and buy it and see if it just stinks. And I got it. I could have been had my hyperpigmentation going had I just not listened to motherfuckers talking about it stink on the internet. Girl, for me it's definitely bearable, and it's not like, it's not even like loud. You know what I'm saying? You know how something is just loud in your face? It's not even loud. They lied. Buy it, try it. I'm going to try it. I don't know how I'm gonna take pictures of my bikini area without getting demonetized. I don't know how that's gonna work. I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to be good with angles. But yeah, so I'm going to use these 2 things for my hyperpigmentation and my ingrown, since the girlies say they work. So yeah, that is it. That is all. Make sure you wish me happy birthday in the comment section. My birthday is June 29th. Okay, I'm turning 20 fine, because I'm fine. 20 fine. All right. And I just want to say thank you so much for all of your birthday wishes, for the people who did already tell me happy birthday. And I also want to say thank you so much for my new followers. If you came from TikTok, hey, I love you all. And if you just fuck with me, if you rock with me, thank you. Thank you. One of the things that I like about being a content creator is I actually engage with my community. So I'm actually responding to comments. I actually talk to y'all. Y'all DM me when we get on live. It's literally like we're having a phone call conversation. And I feel like my videos are very raw and authentic. I don't edit shit. Thumbnails, I don't edit shit. But I just want to be as relatable as possible, because yeah, you know, ain't nothing special about, well, I am special. I'm not gonna say that. There is a lot of things that's special about me, but I am a regular person, and I'm also human first. So I want y'all to feel me when I actually talk about different things and different topics. Last year on my birthday, I was in a very, very low space. Some of you know already. I'm not gonna mention it. But yeah, I was in a very, very low place around May to my birthday. I was in a very, very low place. So this birthday means a lot to me because I'm still here, and I fought through my depression, and I fought through the really bad thoughts that I had some nights. So yeah, this birthday, 25, definitely means a lot to me. I definitely got rid of a lot of people who didn't mean me any good. And I'm really happy. I'm really happy. I'm happy. I feel good. I started working out. I started eating right. I started journaling. Hell, I'm even saving money, child. What? Saving money, but also not afraid to spend my money either. Self-care is definitely something, okay? So 25, I don't know. I'm just happy. I'm just happy this year. So this birthday is special to me, even if I'm celebrating it by myself. Like, which I'm not celebrating it by myself, but like, even if I was, I am completely in a different headspace than I was last year, and that makes me so happy that I overcame my battles and my hardships. So I also want to thank anyone who messaged me during that time last year, because you definitely needed it. I make videos for y'all, but during that time, y'all helped me. Yeah, y'all really did help me. When I felt like I couldn't talk to my family, or when I felt like I couldn't talk to friends, I turned to y'all. And y'all definitely, a lot of you could relate to what I was going through at that time. So I appreciate you for reaching out to me, if you did personally, and I appreciate you for commenting. I appreciate you for liking. Even if you leave a hate comment, I appreciate you, because you took the time out of your days to leave a hate comment on my shit that I made, that I built. You know what I'm saying? So that means a lot to me too. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. And I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.